welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get Google Chrome to run smoothly again and get rid of any hijacking or any annoying pop-ups that keep coming up when you're using Chrome. To start off with, all you need to do is go to the top right hand corner of Chrome and click on the three dots and go down to settings. You now need to scroll down and click on advanced, and you now need to scroll down again, and you now need to click on clean up computer, and you now need to keep this box here ticked if you want, or you can untick it and press find. And basically this is going to find any harmful add-ons, plugins or hijacking or pop-ups or anything that's managed to get onto your Chrome. And with a bit of luck it will find some issues. As you can see, my machine hasn't found any harmful software, but if yours has, just follow the steps to remove the software. Once you have done this, you can now press back and close down Chrome and open it up again, and just see if that has helped fix the issue. If you are still having problems, then all you need to do is click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. And you now need to press Reset, and this will begin to reset Chrome back to how it used to be. You can now close down Chrome again and try and open it up again. But if you are still having problems, then the next thing to do is go to the top right hand corner of Chrome and click on the three dots and click on History and then click on History again. You now need to go to the left hand side and click on Clear Browsing Data. And you now need to just make sure everything is selected, but be warned, you will lose all your form data and all your passwords. But we do want to make Chrome as if it was brand new, which will help remove any hijackers. You now need to press Clear Data. And once that's finished, yet again you now need to close down Chrome and try and open it again and see if that has helped. Once you have opened up Chrome again, you may want to go to the top right hand corner of your screen once more and click on the three dots and then go down to Settings. And you now want to scroll down and then just make sure search engine used is the search engine you want to use, and I want to use Google. You may also want to then click on Manage Search Engines and just make sure there are no dodgy search engines in your list. And that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.